Every bag of popcorn begins long before it reaches the supermarket. Its journey starts here, where modern harvesting technology protects every kernel from unnecessary damage while ensuring maximum freshness and consistent quality before transportation begins.
Maintain speed. Gates opening. Proceed slowly.
Watch your mirrors, backing up now.
Clear. Continue backing. We're ready to receive.
Before production begins, every delivery is carefully documented, inspected, and stored under controlled conditions to preserve its natural popping potential. Multiple cleaning stages remove every unwanted impurity, ensuring only premium quality popcorn kernels continue through the manufacturing process. Advanced optical sorting technology examines every individual kernel, removing even the smallest imperfections to ensure exceptional consistency and quality. Moisture conditioning is one of the most important steps in popcorn production. Even a small variation can dramatically affect how each kernel expands. Before production continues, scientists verify that every batch meets strict quality standards for moisture, purity, and popping performance. Inside carefully controlled popping chambers, heat and pressure unlock the unique structure hidden with every pop kernel. Controlled cooling preserves the popcorn's delicate texture, while automated systems prepare every batch for the next stage of flavor development. A carefully controlled butter coating enhances flavor while preserving the popcorn's light texture. Precision automation ensures every piece receives an even finish. Flavoring is a carefully engineered process, balancing ingredients with remarkable precision to deliver consistent taste in every batch. Gentle blending distributes every ingredient evenly, creating the familiar flavor and appearance consumers expect in every package. Intelligent inspection systems examine every batch with extraordinary accuracy, ensuring only premium quality popcorn continues to packaging. After passing every quality checkpoint, the finished popcorn is carefully portioned and prepared for high-speed packaging, ensuring freshness reaches every customer. Automated packaging systems fill, seal, and label every bag with remarkable speed and precision, preserving freshness from the factory to the consumer. Every package undergoes multiple inspections before robotic systems prepare the finished product for storage and distribution. Automation continues beyond production, organizing every shipment with speed, accuracy, and complete traceability throughout the warehouse.
The loading is complete. Scanning the manifest now.
Everything looks accurate. Sign here, please.
All right, secure that door. We're heading out.
From carefully cultivated fields to advanced manufacturing and finally into the hands of consumers,